Hello, welcome to the weather update. It is 9:30, November 27, 2020, and we had some sun to start, but then the clouds rolled in and it was kind of dismal. But now it is cleared out once again, and mostly clear skies. We'll look at the satellite in a minute. Kind of mild across our area. We're starting to see temperatures drop a little bit now. 49 in Carl Place, 52 at Farmingdale, 50 at Ronkonkoma, 41 in West Hampton. And if we look at New York City, we're at 54, holding in the heat there in the heat island. And Toms River, they got 48 at the airport there. So let's look at what the high temperatures were today across the area. And dew points are also starting to drop now. We got dew points in the mid 40s. So let's again take a look at the high temperatures for today. And it was another warm one again. Temperatures in the mid 60s. That's 15 degrees above normal. Normal high is supposed to be around 50 degrees. Temperature reached 63 in Carl Place, 63 at Farmingdale, 61 at Islip, 61 at West Hampton. So 60, maybe a little cooler on the South Shore. It looked like maybe there was some sort of a sea breeze. The city, Central Park got up to 61, LaGuardia 63, JFK 62. Little cooler up north, 59 in White Plains. Let's see what it got to in New Jersey. 60 degrees there. Actually, a little cooler there, oddly enough. That's interesting. Maybe they had a few more clouds. So let's take a look at our satellite image, and you'll see we have a break in the clouds now, but we were into these mid-level clouds for much of the day. They kind of rolled in around noontime, and then they kind of broke up this evening. You can see there's some high clouds for a system that's going to be moving by to the south tomorrow. Let's take a look at our. Let's go take a look at the weather service. I don't think any records were broken today. But it was mild today for sure. Just a little bit cooler than yesterday, but way warmer than it's supposed to be for November. Let's see if there were any records broken today. I don't see any. So let's go take a look at the models here, and we will start with the upper air. We'll go with the North American view. Alright, upper air. Alright, so we do have a little trough coming through tomorrow. That'll bring some cloudiness, but it'll also bring a cold front through, which will lower the temperatures a little more on Sunday. Then we have this huge low, this very deep low that's going to develop in the interior southeast, and then move up along the Appalachians. And that's going to bring in some rain and some tropical moisture for us on Monday night. And then it moves on by, and you can see we have another trough come through on the weekend here. But that'll bring down some cold air again for the first, I guess, for the first weekend of December and into the second week of December. And then you see that trough kind of sit there. So this is good news for the cold weather in the east finally. It looks like we're finally going to get a good pattern for that developing. We can look at the European model. Similar idea. So you see, trough in the east, so it will be cool. It will be cooling off, and hopefully that also means we'll have better skies so I can get to the Pine Barrens, because the skies have been kind of just a lot of junky skies lately. We haven't had any nice blue skies. Looking at the models here at the surface, you'll see high pressure builds in for Sunday, which Sunday should be a nice clear day. Then here comes that system, and it goes up the Appalachians. So we are in the warm air and the rain, and very strong LLJ that moves out. And then for Tuesday, we have still a chance of showers, but more of a westerly flow at this point. Temperatures start dropping with the high building in. Should have nice weather Wednesday and Thursday. Next low develops. Here's the next one for next weekend, Saturday. Another soaking rain probably, and then that moves out, and then we start seeing the cold air. Look at that. Look at those isobars. You know, with a flow like that, you know you're going to be in the cold air, and it's going to be great. Cold air is going to be coming right down. There you go. So we'll be bringing some nice cold air that we're gonna enjoy, and we're gonna be in a great pattern after that because we're gonna have Alberta Clippers come through, and it's gonna be cold. So that's the good news. Cold weather is coming. So let's go take a look at our GFS for our area, and we'll take a look at the weekend first with the NAM. I guess look at the NAM. I don't know if we're going to go far enough out to when. I don't think it's going to go far enough out to show us any of the precipitation. So yeah, we would have to wait until. Yeah, it does show us a little bit. So this is Monday. See, it's going to be a rainy day. Maybe the rain will move out of here. The NAM seems to be a little quicker with it, and maybe move the rain out by late afternoon. So the worst of the rain should be out of there. But then if you look at the NAM, I guess that shows enough of the storm there. Let's see how much rain it's going to bring for us Monday night. And it could be, like I said, it's going to be a soaker, 1 to 2 inches possible with this. And it's also going to be a lot of humidity that's going to come up, a lot of tropical air that's going to come up too. So I'll show you that with the NAM as well. But for the weekend, we should have drying air, lower dew points tomorrow, dew points dropping. See that northwest wind. And then into Sunday, we have lower dew points again, northwest wind, and then becoming southwest. And then you start seeing that surge. Here it comes Monday, that very strong LLJ. You can see all the wind coming out and dew points shooting up into the 60s with that LLJ that's going to come through ahead of the cold front. So we'll have a better idea of what's going to be happening with that on tomorrow night and Sunday. Especially Sunday, we'll have a better idea. So let's go back to the GFS. We'll go ahead and look at our temperatures. So as we head into tomorrow, you'll see it will be cooler. Temperatures closer to normal, still above normal, mid-50s. Normal high is supposed to actually be in the upper 40s. As we head into Sunday, we'll be a little more closer to normal with highs right around the 50-degree mark. Still a little warmer in New Jersey with highs in the mid-50s. And then here comes that warm air that's going to surge up into our area Monday. It's going to really be warm, 60s probably for most of us, well above normal. But then the front moves through, and we are cooling off on Thursday. On Tuesday, I meant with highs in the mid-50s, and then we start dropping. See, look at that. Wednesday, a lot colder. Highs only in the low to mid-40s. Here's Thursday, highs in the mid-40s. Friday, we get that next little surge of warm air that might wind up coming up on the weekend with that rain. And then behind that, boom, here comes the cold air. Sunday, highs only in the low 40s. And then Monday, we're going to struggle to reach 40. And then even colder air for Tuesday, highs possibly only in the 30s. So we're going to have more shots of cold air coming into that, again, that second week of December, mid-30s. Plenty of cold weather coming in. So we have some nice cold weather coming in. Finally, it's about freaking time. That's all I got to say. This November has been maybe one of the warmest Novembers on record. I'm really interested to see what the climate data says. So let's go look at the end of the month. We'll know. The last day of the month is Monday. So by Monday night, we should know. So here we go for tomorrow. And you'll see plenty of clouds around. Probably less clouds to get in the afternoon. Here's Sunday. Really should be a nice clear day. Not a cloud in the sky. Looks really nice. But then here come the clouds. That system on Monday. Tuesday we'll probably have some clouds. Wednesday we should get rid of the clouds. Though we should have a mostly sunny day. And same for Thursday, hopefully. So we'll start getting rid of the clouds. Here comes the clouds of the next system. And then get into that cold air. We may have some instability, cloudiness. But I think it should be fairly clear as well. So the good news is we're finally getting into a different pattern. So it's definitely a less junky pattern than what we've been in. Let's go ahead and look at the NAM model. Obviously, it looks like plenty of clouds for tomorrow developing. And then for your Sunday, mostly clear. Looks like a clear day across our area. So it should be a nice day. Sunday should be a beautiful day. Should turn out to be really nice. And that's some good news because we could use a clear day. Haven't been to the Pine Barrens in a long time, and it's pretty depressing. I just want to go to the F-Gen again, looking at the NAM. I think we have enough at the NAM 12 kilometer. Let's see, is the NAM 12 kilometer F-Gen? Yeah. Let me see if we can look at the next system there. that Monday system, because here's what I'm talking about. Look at this. This FGen here, this would be, I guess, this would be a warm front, I guess. Looks like it. This could be a real heavy soaker of rain, and we're gonna have to keep our eye out for maybe even some severe weather with such a strong tropical flow coming out. This is impressive, to say the least, that we're seeing. And that, again, if you go to the surface and you look at the rainfall under that, you'll see it's going to be pouring there. See that area of yellow? That's a pretty heavy precipitation here. So that's our next weather event. So luckily you have a decent weekend, a dry weekend, and a quiet Sunday before all hell breaks loose on Monday with more rain. And again, we're going to be getting a good amount of rain. We're already above normal for precipitation for November, so I'm expecting November to be well above normal for both precipitation and temperature. We wrap up the month. So that wraps up this weather update. So take care, and thank you for watching.